Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. We have a highlight, and I wanted to highlight a fragrance from my tray that hasn't visited me in a little bit, okay? And that is from Bond number 9, Astor Place, okay? So you all know how we do around here. Let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, versatility. Is this fragrance versatile? I feel like this fragrance is versatile. I feel like you can wear this for brunch, for evening, even if you're going horseback riding, right? If you're on that yacht, that boat, I feel like this is very versatile. I even feel like you can get away with this in the cold season. So your winter, your fall, you will have a different experience, but I feel like this is definitely a fragrance that is versatile. Even if you have some errands to run and you need to quickly get out the house and you want to do an easy reach, don't think about it, but you want to smell good, even if you're not put together, this is one I feel that can do all those things for you and more. Now, the occasion. What occasion do I feel like this fragrance can go? For every event. Which event are you going out for, okay? Whether, again, that be errands, whether you're going out with some girlfriends, a nice dinner. I recently had dinner with my girlfriends, and I feel like this would have been in a great setting for even the steakhouse that we went to, right? I feel like this fragrance, you can go through any occasion. You know it will be a really great one if you were going to like a Thai restaurant, or if you were going out to get sushi. I feel like just the aesthetic of where you probably will go to, I feel like this would be perfect for that setting. Packaging. Now, packaging, I love this packaging. I love colors, okay? I love, look at my shirt, right? I love different colors, bright colors, loud colors. Even my previous wedding, oh my goodness, I had like, what was it? Purple. See, I threw it out of my mind. I think it was like hot pinks and blues and purple. Like, it was such a beautiful put together, kind of like jewel tones, but brighter. It was such a beautiful, a range of different loud colors because I wanted it to be vibrant, and I love, again, colors. So this actually reminds me, maybe I need to get rid of it. No, I'm just playing. But this actually reminds me of with my previous wedding kind of colors, kind of like the forethought of what it was supposed to be. This is great. I love down this packaging. It is amazing, and it is also different from a lot of other fragrances in my collection, so it does stand out. Now, pricing. This bottle is going to be about $4.50 at like retail price, but you can find this, I believe, on Joma Shop for like $129. Yeah, $4.50, $129. Yeah, make it make sense that yeah, okay. You can find this fragrance for an affordable option on other sites if you are interested. On the Bond number 9 site, I saw the 100 ml at $4.50 and the 50 ml at $2.75. Okay, so you get a little bit of a deal, definitely for that $2.75, 50 ml. But again, on Joma Shop, for that 100 ml, $129. Yep. Now, does this fragrance lean more feminine or masculine? I honestly feel like if a man likes a good citrus fragrance and you don't mind a little bit more of a sweeter citrus, I feel like you can get away with this. I would not be turned off if I smelled a man wearing this fragrance, but I will say this can lean feminine and masculine, but it again depends on men. If you like a citrus fragrance and you don't mind a sweeter citrus, woody type of fragrance, I feel like you can get away with this too. So we'll just say unisex, okay? Everybody, anybody, everywhere. So let's get into the notes. So notes, we have violet leaf, mandarin zest. We have freesia. We also have a red poppy buds. We have orris, teak wood, musk, and amber. So those are the notes that we have in this fragrance. Let's get into my real thoughts. So first, not only do I love the packaging, I absolutely love this fragrance. This is, again, one of the citrus fragrances that does not lean pine cleaner. It doesn't give me that type of scent. This is a beautiful citrus, sweet citrus to me. But that orris root, that woodiness, the teak wood in this just gives it more depth, right? Where it just doesn't sit sweet and then that's it, right? I feel like this is a grown woman, beautiful woman fragrance with a citrus note that is dominant, right? Because I feel like sometimes citrus can be especially fresh citrus, can be okay, we're here, but we're gonna go. And you might be able to smell us a time or two, maybe 20, maybe down the line, right? I feel like sometimes fresh citrus fragrances go in and out. Sometimes you smell it, sometimes you don't. But this one is very impactful and dominant where you smell it throughout the entire stay of the fragrance. And longevity, to me, it lasts 6+ hours, a whole work day for you, sis. So I feel like this fragrance is so great and it's versatile, which I love, right? I love that I can pick this fragrance up. It's an easy reach. It's a no-brainer. I can wear it anywhere. If I can't think of what I want to wear for the summer, this is a great one to wear for the summer. And you can overspray this. In my humble opinion, you can overspray this and not offend anyone. Not anyone, okay? So this is a great fragrance for this time, for this season, and I would highly recommend, especially since you can get this at a steal deal on Joma Shop. Why not? Okay, help your life. But if you want to purchase it at retail full price, it ain't my business, okay? Ain't none of my business. But I do enjoy this fragrance. I would highly recommend that you get your nose and see if you even vibe with this, right? If you have been struggling to get a citrus fragrance that works for you and your body chemistry, test this out. Now, I would not say go out and buy this, blind buy this. No. Because even though I like orris in this fragrance, even though I like the teakwood note in this fragrance, you might think it gives you a sour, you might think something different, than what I have experienced. So test it out, see if you vibe with this, see if you like it, and then go from there. But I have honestly had great compliments, great experience from this fragrance, and I would absolutely highly recommend, all right? Well, fam, let me know, have you experienced Astor Place? So good, and so good. Let me know your experience, whether it was good or whether it was bad. Let me know, let the fam know if you have experienced this fragrance. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.